Subscribers, they will tell you how to fix problem when you see stories unavailable on Instagram. So actually you can see this problem when you have problems with the internet, or second option, when someone just reposts story from persons that just hides story from you. So this is two different options. So at first variant, you just need to close the Instagram app and just open it again. So after, you can also just check your internet connection. So just go to Wi-Fi if you use Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. If you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power phone again. So just simple. Restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update Instagram. So just go to App Store, just right here Instagram, and if you see update button here, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like on my